Hello and welcome back to another episode from How to Webmaster. Today is my update video for my YouTube monetization earnings for May 2021. Here are my stats. It is the lowest month this year in terms of earnings, and you can see here my views has gone down ever since May of last year. And let's check out the revenues from last year. Was actually higher, and now it is $738 for May. So are you guys earning lower than last year so far this summer? Let me know down in the comments below. And what is weird is I actually had my highest earning month in March 2021 with $902, and that was my all-time high. So that's kind of strange. And a previous commenter wanted to see my stats for ad rates and CPM, RPM. Here it is for May. 59,000 views at $12.51 RPM, basically rate per thousand. And let's check out the geography. I noticed I've been getting more Indian traffic lately. Almost 26% of all my views are from India, only 13% from United States. And lastly, for this video, here is my traffic source. 73% of all my views are from the YouTube search. Okay, that's all for this video. If you want to see any other kind of stats, let me know down below in the comments, and I'll make another monthly update video next month. Okay, thanks so much and happy YouTubing.